in St.
insulin
Anne's. Where are
resistance.
you?
Now, this is something that diabetes type 2 patients have a big
What are
problem
you having
with,
for breakfast?
and they have to be literally
McDonald's?
injecting themselves with insulin. Try to get off that if you are at that stage
Chick-fil-A?
of being diabetic. It means that you're at a dire stage and you cannot
Burger King?
get better if you're continuing to
I am.
inject artificial insulin basically. So try to get stuff in your body that helps you to deal with the insulin resistance and produce the right amount of insulin to balance you out and get that diabetes out of your blood if you have to. Number one
Saltfish
it out or number
fritters.
two it out, you know? Alright, there you go. That is the morning
Kung
tea.
fritters.
The morning tea this week, milk thistle, nigella sativa, and garlic. The morning tea is
The fritters
therapy
nice.
for the mind, soul,
My fritters
and
nice.
body.
What about you?
Same ingredients, so we'll have more information for you and repeat some of it so that you can, remember and make good use of the ingredients. All right, before we go to